told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until
This is the Clean Organics Pure Anti-Wrinkle Face and Neck Retinol Cream with Hyaluronic Acid. It's a really great anti-aging face moisturizer and firming face cream. It helps to reduce wrinkles, dark spots, fine lines, and sun damage. And I've been using this for a couple weeks. I've been able to try out so many different great skincare products. This is one of my favorites. I love, love, love the smell. It does have vitamin E, green tea, and jojoba oil, but I swear it has a really nice citrus smell. And you just pop that down, and that's how you get your cream, which I absolutely love. I don't like when you get the jars of cream that you have to stick your fingers in. I love that they thought about that. This does help, again, with age spots. It helps to even out your skin tone. If you have a loss of firmness, great on the neck as you're aging with the necklines and all that. We talk about that a lot over here on Amazon, and it really does help. So it does have aloe vera. It does have so many great ingredients, and it is organic. It's non-comedogenic, non-acnogenic, paraben and alcohol free, and it's really great for sensitive skin. You're gonna get this pretty large bottle, kind of jar bottle I call it, but you're gonna see that you just press down right here and you're gonna get all that you need. And I absolutely love that it just disappears. And you can use this day or night. You know, you can use it day or night. If you are gonna use it during the day, be careful with the sun. But I love to use it as a night cream, and I love to use it right after I clean my face, just smooth all around, especially on my neck. If you're looking for a really great, firming neck cream, face cream with the retinol and that moisturizer, you're absolutely gonna love it. If you want something to help with your fine lines and wrinkles and just really be super moisturizing and age defying, definitely check this one out right here on Amazon.
Hi guys, today we are reviewing Clean Advanced Retinol Moisturizer. Okay, so retinol is a great ingredient to have in your moisturizer. That is the package, and this is Clean Organics, and it's got 2.5% retinol moisturizer, and that is great because it's got proven ingredients to reduce the appearance of all those fine lines and wrinkles, dull skin, discoloration, and of course loss of firmness that always happens. So this unique complex of bioactive ingredients inside Clean Organics is an advanced, like I said, 2.5% moisturizer, retinol moisturizer. So it keeps your skin hydrated, and you can use it after the vitamin C. You can use it in the morning and in the night. So it's just got this little pump, and you can use it after your serums, and just a few dots all over the face, and you will see an incredible difference, I can tell you right now. It's great for anti-aging, rejuvenating your skin, and you want to make sure you clean your skin, put on your serums, and then your moisturizer. Of course, you can use it alone, and this is anti-aging cream, and for the price, it is a great deal because it really does work, and it's got that retinol in there. So if you want to get that confidence back and that healthy glow and look, try this for sure. Clean. And that's my review, and look forward to the next one.
love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something.